Hello beauties, come do the laundry with me. It's almost a week now. I've not do the laundry due to over my parents' place we were managing soap, so I couldn't wash as many as I can. So when I was coming back, I have to come with some of the dirty clothes. No, all the dirty clothes, and this is part two of the clothes I've been washing yesterday. After the kids went to school, I just start doing the laundry because when they will come back there will be a lot of distraction, so I have to start diving into washing.
On your face and do the goody 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 dance, put a smile on your face and do the goody dance, do the goody dance, smile on your face and do the goody 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 dance.
It may be a little cloudy, it may be a bumpy ride, you may feel a little lonely, you don't want to hold on tight. See, I want you to remember, what been made last for the night, what joy comes right in the morning.
So after Excel has exhausted all his strength in playing, he came around. I was crying. That means he wanted to sleep. So when I noticed he wanted to sleep, I carried him and make sure I was done with the washing, and he slept off on my body. Then I went and dropped him and came with the other batch of clothes because I want to be sure that I finished everything. I don't want to have any clothes. I don't want to wash any clothes being tomorrow being Saturday. So after I was done soaking the second batch, I went over to rinse and spray the first batch of clothes I've washed.
You'll be just fine,
Yeah,
it may be a little cloudy,
it may be a bumpy ride.
you may feel a little lonely, but no one to hold on tight. I just want you to remember, we've been made last for the night, but joy comes right in the morning. You'll be just fine, so put a smile on your face. Do the goody dance, oh, do the goody dance.
The smile on your face and do the goody 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 dance.
So when I was done spraying the first batch of clothes I washed, I came back to start washing the second batch of clothes. On the middle of washing it, Excel woke up and insist I carried him, which I do. I was still washing when my children came back from school, but I was so happy that I was almost done washing before they came back.
Put a smile on your face,
Do the goody dance, oh, do the goody dance.
the smile on your face and do the goody 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 dance.
So when I was done with the last batch of the clothes, I went out to rinse and spray it.
On your face and do the goody 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 dance. Put a smile on your face and do the goody dance, do the goody dance.
At this point, my battery was crying, low battery, low battery, but I was lucky I was done though. So after spraying, I went in to charge my phone and give my children something to eat, not knowing that the rain has already fallen off from the cloud. I have no choice than to leave the clothes outside there because I was so tired. I don't know what to do. Thanks for watching. Bye.